Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to try Siopao. Here it is, steamed and ready to eat. Right guys, let's have a look inside, shall we? Look at that delicious goodness. I love this. This is one of my favourite foods, not just in the Philippines, but in the entire world. The reason is because I have an emotional connection with this. When I first arrived in the Philippines, this was the very first thing that I tried. Right, so I'm going to try it again now. Masa wrap. You can see it's got the meat. It's quite soft in the middle, and it's beautiful because it's not dry because of the steam. It's all gone into the middle and it's been captured, and yeah, it's delicious. This is sold throughout the Philippines and it's absolutely delicious. I love the softness of the dough, and I love the fillingness of the meat inside. And so many different things you can put inside. You can put, as I say, you can put the pork, you can put the chicken, or you can just even have eggs. But this is my favourite. I'm going to eat all of this now, so until the next video guys, let me know, what's your favourite siopao? What's your favourite flavour? And if you like this video, please give me a like, because it really helps the channel, helps it grow, helps it go onto the algorithm of YouTube. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And until the next video, Ingat Car. Alright guys, take care.